Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a recreation of Lord China's work. I saw this beautiful look that she did on her Instagram a couple of, I don't know if it was like weeks ago or days ago, but I just fell in love with it. I screenshotted it and here I am recreating it. She's one of my favorite artists, so definitely go give her a follow. And without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Hey guys, so I'm looking crazy right now and it's because my hair is all messy and I have one eye already done, but I kind of like to do one eye first and then do the other eye. So for this look I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette, and then I'm mainly going to be using 3 brushes. These are the brushes that I'm going to be using today. I have the Morphe M507 brush, the Morphe M506 brush, and the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH40 brush. Now these brushes they're all like little blending crease brushes. So I already primed my eyelid. I used MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. This is my favorite eye primer ever. So the first shade that I'm going to take, I'm actually going to take 3 eyeshadows for the first part of this look. So I'm going to take this very dark purple, mix it in with this like magenta fuchsia color, and then a little bit of black, and that's just going to give me that deep shade. I'm going to apply this onto the crease area. And I'm just doing like little tapping motions, and I'm not really worried about blending this out yet. This is just to kind of get that first color onto there. We're gonna blend it out when we apply the other shades. Okay, so this is how it should look. It's gonna look really ugly at first, and then it's gonna all blend out. So I just patted in the color or the colors I should say, just pat them in, and it doesn't have to be blended or anything. Now with the Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to go into this magenta shade right here, and I'm just going to place that halfway above the purple and halfway on the skin. And going back into the first 3 shades and just kind of packing them on. I'm taking the Morphe M507 brush and I'm going to pick up this hot pink shade right here. Just wiped off the brush and I'm gonna go in with this really light pink shade right here. I'm just gonna continue to layer on these colors until I have the desired outcome. So once I finish that, I will be right back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'm gonna be using concealer and a MAC 249 brush, which is just a very thin flat brush. Start here. Okay guys, so after like 300 years, this is as good as it's gonna get. I'm just gonna go ahead and darken up the crease a little bit. I love to do this in almost like every single look. I just feel like it adds that little extra hint of dimension, and typically I like to add some black, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a little bit of black, and then I'm going to add a little bit of pink mixed with the black on there. Very softly. You don't want to like go in there and make it like too dark, because then it won't look blended. It will just look like a black line. So the first thing that I'm going to take on the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Ballet Baby, which looks like this. I'm going to mix 3 glitters. The first one, the main glitter, which I will add the most, is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Crystal Cave Loose Glitter. It's like a pink glitter. NYX glitter in number 2. I think this one is in, oh yeah, Rose. So this one's just a pink. And then a Jcat sparkling powder in the shade Pink Tutu, which is the pinkest out of all of them. So I'm just going to get those 3, mix them on the back of my hand, and then while this is still tacky, I'm going to kind of just place those, what are these called? A silicone brush. I'm going to be using a silicone brush that looks like this. Now, I will give you guys a tip. If you guys are going to recreate this look, don't apply this or the glitter all the way to the lash line, because then it's harder for that eyeshadow that we're going to put right there to like stick on. But I already did it on this side and it kind of made it more frosty looking, so I'm just going to do it the same way on this side, because if not, it's going to look more matte on this side. So yeah. We're going to be working on the pink liner that I have on this side. I'm just taking a NARS brush. This is the number 38. Any liner angled brush would work. However, you do kind of want it to be pointy. I'm going to be mixing this magenta with this hot pink. Okay, so after that, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off all the other extra glitter and then do my face makeup, and I will be right back. Guys, so I'm back. I just popped on some lashes, and then I kind of started on the lower lash line on this side over here. If my lashes seem like they're falling, they literally are. I had such a hard time putting them on right now. But, this inner corner here is just not wanting to stick on, so we're just going to ignore that and pretend that, you know, everything's good. But anyways, now I'm going to work on the lower lash line, and I learned this trick from Erin Rose here on YouTube. She's another one of my favorites here. She basically takes the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, which is just the white one, and she will line her lower lash line and then pack on a color, and that's how she gets her really pretty, vibrant liner. I'm going to go in with that hot pink from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to take a little angled liner like this and just stamp it on. So now that I have that on the eye, I'm going to go into that dark pink magenta color on the lower lash line just to blend out that pink. And a blending brush and this super light pink shade right here. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my lower lash line, and then I'm also going to do the inner corner, and I will be right back. Okay, so for the inner corner and brow highlight, I'm using this shade right here from the Urban Decay Moon Dust palette. Any like pinkish highlight would work. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe for more future videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.